Today's warm-up is cow and cat, standing leg swings, shoulder breaker and air squats, 10 of each. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. The hips descend back and down and lower than your knees. Make sure the weight is on your heels. Keep your chest up and maintain the lumbar curve. The workout is 3 rounds of front squats, thrusters and plank hold shoulder taps. Do it as fast as you can and as heavy as you can. The knees are in line with the toes. The hips go back, down and lower than the knees. The elbows stay off the knees. Extend rapidly hips and legs and make a full hip, knee and arm extension. Try to keep your body still and lift the hand to touch the opposite shoulder. Brace your abs and engage your glutes. I hope you had fun with the workout. Let's do something for the core. Let's do 2 rounds of 20 Russian twists, 20 scissors and 20 sit-ups. Move slowly and don't forget to breathe. Roll back down and keep your feet on the ground. To stretch, downward facing dog and dragon. Concentrate on breathing and take your time.
Gar nichts mehr spürst, du weißt, ein Feuer geht aus und länger nicht schürst und du weißt, dass du besser mit
Stay safe and see you soon. 3, 2, 1, go!
Loslässt, zähl bis 3 und es geht vorbei, es geht vorbei. Kommst auf die Welt, um den Kopf zu verdrehen.